Security Smart Systems, Starck Technology, is an EMS company from Bulgaria, located in Vratsa, at 120 kilometers from Sofia and 130 kilometers from Danube Bridge. Security Smart Systems, Starck Technology. Our mission is to support our customers to gain competitive advantage. We manufacture the electronics of tomorrow with knowledge, advanced technology, and quality. 100% private company established in 1994, production area of 10,000 square meters. We are ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 certified. We implement IPC A610 and ROHS. Over 2,000 square meters is our EPA, certified for manufacturing and installation of electronics. The high-tech equipment with the latest generation of machines and well-trained and motivated personnel allows us to offer a complete solution to the client, from the development of the product through the delivery of components, assembly, end-of-line test, packaging, and forwarding to end customers. We store the components in an automatically temperature-controlled environment. We also monitor the humidity. We store sensitive components in nitrogen-controlled automated warehouses. With centralized ERP, we monitor and plan production orders, with real-time reporting of operations. We offer full traceability of components and orders. We have 2 automatic SMD lines with a total output of up to 100,000 components per hour and 1 semi-automatic for small series and prototypes. The lines have the ability to work with components from 0201 components up to 56 by 56 by 15 millimeters. We are suited for medium volume high mix manufacture. The 2 automatic lines are equipped with inline SPI, solder paste inspection, and inline 3D AOI, automatic optical inspection with Moire projectors capable of confirming top-level quality even with coplanarity check of BGAs. There are more than 25 working stations for TH assembly and 2 high-productive nitrogen wave soldering machines, and additional 1 with nitrogen selective wave soldering. We have universal ICT, in-circuit testers, and specialized IC testers. We have the ability to design and manufacture various types of end-of-line and functional testers. Functional testing is done on 99% of devices manufactured on automatic and manual testers, following the requirements for serial numbers, identifying, and recording of data. Additional services offered are software loading following top-level security protocols. Manufacturing of battery packs is adding to the current needs of the electronic manufacturing with regards to IoT, wearable devices, and bigger applications. It is also used in medicine. Cable set manufacturing is done both manually and fully automatically, where we have a big number of tools to support various crimps. The final assembly service can include not only the placement of electronics with cables and batteries in the plastic or metal enclosure, but also labeling, providing different sets, laser marking, individualization, and packing. The LED lighting division is oriented to B2B partners with customizable luminaires in the industrial, office, and street models. We have our own standard series luminaires for street, office, and industrial lighting. The metal sheet processing department supports the production with metal enclosures. The process starts from the drawing board of the 3D file through the 3 CNC punching machines, 2 deburring ones, 3 CNC press brakes for bending, more than 10 presses, 3 spot welding units and MIG welding, until packing for internal use or directly to the customer after labeling. Powder coating is applied in 2 chambers, white and a color one with the supplemental services. The plastic processing department works with ABS, PC, PS, PMMA, PA, PE, and others. On 13 horizontal and 1 vertical injection molding machines, we work with customer tools or ones made from CAD design and manufactured with partners. The biggest parts are up to 1,600 grams. We support our customers with logistics services. Our advantage is to offer complete solutions for your projects. We offer also a manual and automatic conformal coating, including dipping and epoxy potting. Some customers are using our ultrasonic welding equipment for plastics. For demanding application, we have automatic CNC machine for depaneling.